jacket on.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Because I gotta go out because Daddy's shoveling.
What? Oh, man.
In a minute, honey.
I'll go get dressed.
No.
Why?
Because I'm not ready for you. Daddy has to finish shoveling, Jake, in 1 minute. And it's cold outside.
I'm just getting dressed. I'm not going to put my jacket
Okay.
on. Just getting dressed.
Is that this was a slow week to begin with. So school is out today. So there was a ray of sunshine here, even though it's not. Although it is kind of. There was a little bit out there. Nothing more than a day ago. You guys have done a great job forecasting this and then getting it all the word out. Really just doing it. That's what everybody. And I want a special shout out to our crews in the field who have been out in it all day since yesterday and all day today. Joe Nolan also pulling quadruple duty.
Yeah.
Yesterday, Joe, I think there were a couple hundred.
What's Bella doing, Jamie?
She's just plugging in the ball.
Yeah. Jamie, can you believe how much snow we have? Okay, 1 minute, Jamie. Don't step on that, please.
Look at her.
I know, she's
Beautiful.
She's beautiful. 1 minute, Jamie.
Hi, Bella. Hi, Daddy. 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 Can you help me what matches?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yes. Daddy, yes. Hi, Daddy. Oh, that's so great.
Are you supposed to touch this?
I was just